Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to show you how to link your Kick onto Streamlabs OBS or Streamlabs desktop. So you need to do two things. You need to have your Kick on the browser and be signed in. And at the same time, you need to have your Streamlabs pretty much fired up like this. So what you want to do first is go to your Kick, right? In your Kick, click on the upper right corner of the screen of your profile, and here a small pop-up will appear. What you want to do is click on Creator Dashboard. So once you're in Creator Dashboard, you're going to see here pretty much just like Twitch, your interface, right? You have your activity feed, mod out, actions, chat, everything. But what you want to do here is go to Settings here on the left-hand corner. Click on that, a drop-down will appear. What you want to do is click on Stream Key, and here on Stream Key, you're going to see two things you need. You're going to need your stream URL and your stream key, right? So after this, what you want to do is go to your Streamlabs. Now, in your Streamlabs, click on the lower left corner of the screen, your settings. This pop-up will appear, and what you want to do is click on Stream. And here on Stream, what you want to do is go to Stream Type Custom Server, Streaming Server, yes, and then just paste the URL on your stream to here. Here. There you go. And then click the stream key here as well, and then click done, and now you will be able to stream. Let's go back so that you can see on Kick. So that's how you link your Kick to your OBS, Streamlabs OBS or Streamlabs desktop. And that's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.